Hi there, I am Ismail from Pelemon. One of the most common mistakes in SEO is launching a website without a clear early strategy. The first few months are extremely important because they help search engines understand what your website is about. If you structure things correctly in the beginning, you make it much easier for your site to gain traction later. In this lesson, we'll look at a simple roadmap for the first 100 days of a new website, including technical setup, content planning, and authority building. Now, let's start with week 1 to 2. Week 1 to 2, you should focus on your site structure, your indexing setup, technical SEO basics, and analytics and tracking. The first step is making sure that the technical foundation of the site is solid. Your site structure should be simple and logical so that both users and search engines can navigate it easily. You should also set up important tools such as Google Search Console, analytics software to monitor performance, and as an added layer, I like to add Microsoft Clarity or Hotjar so that I can see videos of sessions that people come in so that I can have a familiarity with the things that people struggle with when they come on the website. During this stage, you should also check things like page speed, mobile friendliness, and basic SEO settings such as titles and meta descriptions. Also, don't forget the results of your crawl either on Ahrefs, Semrush, or Screaming Frog to fix any technical issues such as page duplication, orphan pages, 404 errors, um, you know, 301 redirects, and stuff like that. Now, in month 1, once the technical setup is complete, the next step is to publish your core pages. These are pages that define what your website is about. For example, a business site might publish service pages while a content site might create category pages and foundational articles. These pages help search engines quickly understand your site's main topics. They also provide a structure that future content can connect to through links. In month 2, your focus shifts to building content around your main topics. Instead of publishing random articles, the goal is to create topic cluster. A topic cluster is a group of related articles that support a main page or core topic. For example, if your main page targets a broad keyword, supporting articles can target more specific questions or long tail keywords. Internal linking between these pages helps search engines understand the relationships between your content. Then, in month 3, we want to start authority building. Once your site has a solid base of content, it becomes much easier to start building authority. This is when you begin focusing on backlinks and promotion. Backlinks from relevant websites signal to search engines that your content is trustworthy and valuable. You can also gain exposure through partnerships, guest articles, or sharing content with relevant communities. Authority building is an ongoing process, but starting it after your content foundation is in place makes it far more effective. Because imagine Google coming to your website that is not fully ready and the content is not well arranged and seeing high quality backlinks coming to your site. That is suspicious. That is like a taxman passing through the house of a government worker on minimum wage salary and seeing a Ferrari. Quite suspicious. One important thing to understand is that SEO takes time. During the first 100 days, it's normal to see slow progress. Your pages may take time to be indexed and traffic may remain low in the beginning. However, you may start to see impressions increasing in search results, which is often the first sign that your SEO efforts are working. Patience and consistency are essential during this phase. To summarize, the first 100 days of a new website should follow a structured approach. Start with a strong technical setup, publish core pages that define your site's main topic. Next, expand your content through topic clusters. Finally, begin building authority through backlinks and promotion. By following this roadmap, you give your website the best possible start in search ranking. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this video to be helpful, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Goodbye for now, and I'll see you in the next one.